Welcome back, folks. We are going to go ahead with episode 2 of the Jay versus Juna Design game show here. We still got to come up with a better name there.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do today is the same as what we did last week. So you can check out the link to the previous video in the description below. You can go check that out, our very first one.
Yeah.
What I'm going to do here is click this wheel, and the only thing that I pulled out of the niches here was kawaii.
Oh, yeah.
That is what we did last week. So we removed that one.
Smart.
And then the second wheel now has a bunch of different niches ultimately.
Mm-hmm.
And I took out the coffee one. So
Okay.
last week it was kawaii and coffee.
Hey.
So do you want to see, which do we want to do first? Let's do the niche first.
Yeah. Let's do niche first.
All right.
Spin that wheel.
Spinning the wheel. Nurses. It was almost skeletons. I was excited for a sec.
So close. Nurses. Ooh, that's a toughie. Very popular, by the way. Don't remove. Nurses are popular.
Super popular. And then in the style of, for the aesthetic.
Style of, yeah.
Wow, these are right up your alley. This one's anime.
No way.
So anime
Okay.
nurses.
Wow.
All right. And then,
So we had Hawaii first and then anime next.
yeah, it's all right up Juna's alley. So how this is going to work out here is we got Jay over here and we have Juna over here. And then we're just going to pretty much get to it, right?
It
You're going to design on that?
You should just say Juna. Cool. All right. We're going to start the timer with 20 minutes. What do we have?
Yep. 20 minutes is good to me.
Oh, I think last time I did the 20 minutes.
We did half an hour and then I needed more time because it was glitching out.
But I set the timer, right, on the last time.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got it on my clock here, on my phone.
20 minutes.
You ready?
I am as ready as I'll ever be. I'm all nervous now.
All right. Mark.
Anime nurses.
Anime nurses, yeah. And go. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Oh, what do I do? What do I do?
Are you seeing what I'm typing here?
No. Talking through what I'm seing. So I pulled up templates, nurse templates, just to give me some ideas on stuff. I got this so far. Not really anime, but good idea. Just trying to find like a good nurse saying. Yeah, we're just prepping. We're prepping here. I'm gonna do nurse t-shirt.
Yeah, I think that's a good call.
Nurse t-shirt. This is a fun one. Hero, nurse, living, nurse mode, nurse life.
I think we're looking at the same stuff.
Yeah. I think so.
Oh, I like that one. Night shift nurse, but it's not anime.
Yeah. I think we're gonna have to do. Oh, this one is anime, but I don't want to just start there. I think I'm gonna have to like pick one that's not anime, but then do an anime for it. But I want to do like a hero nurse. No, I keep trying to do this one. I'll just do that. Where does it put in it? Da-da-da-da-da-da. I got these two. We can do a night shift nurse. Okay, I'm gonna use. I wonder if there's like not photos, images. Anime nurse. If somebody did an anime nurse already. Ooh, kind of, but not something I can use for a. Somebody did this nurse. That's an anime.
Oh, yeah.
That's an anime nurse. I'm gonna hold that just in case I can't find anything else.
Man, so many.
There's a bunch. There's a bunch. It's not that we don't have ideas. It's that we have too many ideas.
There's so many here.
All right. I think the AI actually has. With all the new styles, I just did a kiddo video with all the new styles, and I believe there's an anime style, actually.
Oh, wow. Really?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there it is. Anime style. Okay.
I'm just creating one here to see what that's going to spit out for me, and then I'll have to figure something else out. Which one were you using? DALL-E, I guess, for the styles?
Actually, I think the anime one is SDXL Flash, so I'm gonna see how this comes out. When I did the test, I really liked ChatGPT, how that turned out, but I typed in a prompt, enhance the prompt. Oh, I'm gonna do that all on a black background. All right, let's see what it does. Oh, we still got 15 minutes. No, that's not what I wanted. That's not anime. I think I gotta put in the word anime. I'm gonna go through all my credits here.
Yeah. So I don't like that one. Get rid of you.
Dude, no. I mean, that's cool, but I don't want a realistic looking nurse. I want an anime. Why do I have to say anime cartoon already?
That's funny.
Oh.
I got the same idea. I was like, I wanted to do her flexing because I used this image here that you guys can see. I used this in a video, like I want to say about a year and a half ago.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I used it and I re-edited it to do something different, but I like what I got here. Is this anime?
What you got? Yeah, I think so. That's pretty close.
That qualifies,
Yeah,
right?
I would say so.
The eyes set it off.
Yeah.
All right, so
I'm gonna keep trying. I think no, it keeps making me image ChatGPT image 1 HD was the one that I really like.
don't like these letters, so I got to get rid of them.
If this one doesn't work out, I'm gonna use this other anime one that I found. I wonder, should we try? I might try, like you tried before, the smart folder or smart. What do we call those?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Smart boards.
Board, yeah.
What is going on? I need to delete all of that, but I don't want it to be so it's on a black background.
Aha. Oh, but that head got cut off. Why does it do that?
I think that worked. Let me see now if I change this to white. Oh yeah. Okay. Remove the background, kept some of this black. So what I need to
have
do...
both of mine are selected. Do you have both of our artboards selected?
Oh no, am I changing your color?
Yeah.
Sorry, buddy.
Team.
I don't know why. You want black as well?
My background? Probably.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll do it.
I don't know.
Did yours change?
Nope.
Okay, good. Maybe it worked.
So how it's changing yours?
Nope. Mine seems to be doing okay now.
Okay.
You're so much further ahead than I am.
Well, last time I was panicking and it was terrible, right?
There we go. It did it. Okay. Good. I got my nurse. Whew. Haha.
What do
Anime. I gotta come up with
Yeah, I'm trying to think of a phrase to put on a nurse shirt.
Place.
It was a phrase generator, right?
Generator. Yeah. I know they used to have it. I don't know where it went.
Me neither.
I don't know. I guess we could look at more nurse ideas.
Yeah, whiteboard.
8 minutes. Oh, we're halfway. No, more.
Wow. Just almost halfway.
Almost halfway.
Oh, we're past halfway? 8 minutes left?
8 minutes left, yeah.
Wow.
Looking for a cool font. They have so many cool fonts too.
Yeah.
Wow.
All of these say nurse life. Nurse, what's your superpower?
Oh, look at that color. I mean, it's not cheating. But I'm going to merge my Amazon and see what kind of nurse shirts they have. Nurse, the best nurse. Not your average nurse. Oh, nurse life.
No, that matches.
Oh, man, I should have done nurse with coffee.
All right, we spend too much time analyzing fonts all the time. I know I do.
Oh, yeah, me too.
Put it on an angle so it looks a little more natural here.
No. I'm going for humor.
Going for humor?
Thanks.
Nice. Yeah, we're getting there. Now I can group these right. Group, bring it to front. Yes. That looks better.
Come on.
How are we doing for time?
We got 3 minutes.
Uh-oh.
And they're so cool.
Sorry, just talking to myself.
No, we got to make this. That's the thing about this video. When we're doing it, we also make sure that people can hear.
We're a little...
Like, boring video. What do we got? 52 seconds.
Oh no. Panic mode.
Tick tock. There it is. Stop. Hands
Time.
down.
All right. Educated drug dealer. I love it. Hashtag nurse life. That's cool. That's funny.
Oh, gosh.
And then I went with nursing is my superpower.
Yeah, I was going to do that, but since you did, I saw you going with the same thing. We both had the same idea. And then I'm like, I got to do different.
And then I almost did nurse life, and I saw you going for nurse life, so I was like, no, I can't do that. Yeah.
All right.
That's cool. These both look good.
They're both fine. Yeah. I think yours was a lot cleaner. I like yours.
I just made the font work with the style that the design gave me, but yours makes sense. I like the muted colors too. That's cool. Two totally different designs.
Totally.
Amazing.
Yeah.
All right, folks. So we're going to put those. You can comment down below which one you think. One will be Juna, or you can just type Juna or Jay.
Yeah.
And let us know who you think won this round.
Yeah.
And I think let us know in the comments too. Would be super awesome if you could give us niche ideas for, going forward, right? For a couple others. So anything you want to add in there?
Yeah, this is fun. You guys can do this too on Kiddle. If you want to challenge one of us or actually challenge other people and sign up, that would be great. But yeah, we basically are doing this to show you, like, you don't need a whole day to design. And if you're stuck with ideas, like, use a spinning wheel and come up with ideas if at the last resort, maybe, if you can't come up with ideas, and you can see it comes out pretty cool. Like, I think when you're like time yourself, you come up with some really cool ideas that you wouldn't have if you had all the time in the world, right? So.
Yeah. I was thinking of like adding a little more, the depth the same as I did up top with the nursing to the bottom, but I was running out of time. But again, it forced me to finish, which is great. Yeah. You know what I mean? And I think if I added like the second and third layers of the black and the pink on the bottom, it might be too much. Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. Time limits are great. Set them for yourself. Make sure you don't, spend days, give yourself a limit, and get it done. Yeah. But,
done's better than nothing, not having anything, right? Like, having something's better than having nothing. So
you can't sell it if you don't list
it.
Right?
That's right.
Right on. Thanks so much, Juna. This has been fun as well, and we'll see you guys next week.